Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making some veggie sushi with daikon radish, cucumber, carrots, and some baked tofu that I seasoned with some Norfolk kaki and kelp flakes to make it taste kind of fishy. So kind of like a vegan version of a tuna roll. So you're gonna need some nori. You're gonna need some rice. I'm using leftover rice because I don't like to waste food, and I'm a firm believer in using up what you got. You're gonna put the rice onto the nori sheet, pack it really tightly. You can also season your rice with some rice vinegar and soy sauce or sesame seeds before you put it on the nori. I seasoned mine with a little bit of rice vinegar and soy sauce and a little more of that Norfolk kaki. You want to spread it out as close to the edge as you can possibly get. Now, I use regular old white rice. It's better to use sushi rice, but like I said, I'm a firm believer in using what you got, and I had white rice, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to fill the roll, so I got my tofu first. That's my protein. Putting some carrot, a little cucumber, and a little bit of radish. Now, I don't know why I brushed it with water before I started rolling it. I couldn't tell you where my mind was at, but don't do that. Roll it up first and then brush it with some water. Also, I was a little over ambitious like I always am with my first roll, and I put too much stuff in it. But it's all good. Roll it on up, brush it with water so that it'll stick to itself. Roll it over to its seam. Now, the trick with nori sheets, you want to wet the knife every single time you cut it. If you don't, it's going to rip all to shreds and everything is going to go everywhere. You're going to have a mess on your hands. So, with every cut, wet the knife. One sushi roll should make about 6 individual pieces if you do it right. But if you do it wrong, that's your business because it's your food and you can do whatever you want to with it. Now, I'm not the best at making sushi, but I do what I can with what I got. So this is just my ghetto-fied version of some sushi rolls. And just showing you one more time, place the sushi down. Now there's a smooth side and a rough side to nori sheet. You want the rough side to be faced up. Then just proceed with the same steps. Put down the rice, put it as close to the edge as possible, leave about 1 inch at the top for sealing. Don't overstuff it. Put all your vegetables, whatever fillings you want to on the inside. If you just want some rice and nori paper, you do you. Fill it up with whatever you want. Also, shameless plug real quick. If you're ever curious about the music that's in the background of my videos, I am a firm believer in supporting family. So if I have the link, I will try to link the artists in the description of the videos, and be sure to go and check them out if you are interested in the music that you hear or you like it. Check them out, show them some love.
Tell me, baby, how you so precious? Lost up in your eyes, got me so breathless. Thinking about you, baby, got me so restless. Thinking about you, baby, got me so restless. Baby, dick like she from Texas.
Now, I'll be honest right here, I didn't really stuff my roll as much as I should have. See, I got thrown off because that first roll, I put too much in it. Then the second roll, I didn't put enough. But guess what? It's all good. It all tastes the same. It's all going in the same place. So it doesn't really matter. Now, to go with this sushi, I also made some eel sauce, which is just sugar, soy sauce, and rice vinegar mixed together. And I made some spicy mayo to put on top, which I made with some homemade tofu mayo that I made a few days ago. Put some sriracha in it, mixed it up, boom. There you go, spicy mayo.
Baby, just like that. Let me kiss down your neck, in between your legs. Let me rub your back. Baby, just like that.
And here's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.